You weren't meant to see this early, but here it is. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic has just surfaced unexpectedly via a leaked eBay listing. That's right, someone got hold of a prototype unit of Samsung's upcoming Galaxy smartwatch and is already selling it online. Thanks to this early reveal, we now have a detailed preview of its design and specs ahead of the official debut. Let's dive into everything this leak has uncovered. First off, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic showcases a striking new appearance. The standout update is a bold, squircle shape, a fusion of square and circle elements. This marks a major departure from the traditional round format seen in past Galaxy Watch classics. If it looks familiar, it's because it closely mirrors the Galaxy Watch Ultra's design, launched recently. It's clear Samsung is aiming for a unified aesthetic across its smartwatch range. The unit spotted on eBay features a silver metal case, a black leather strap with stitching, and a retail-ready box. It even includes the USB-C magnetic charger, confirming it's a functioning prototype, not just a display model. The model number is SM-L505U, indicating it's the LTE variant for the US market. The shown size is 46 millimeters, sticking with the large format Galaxy Watch Classic fans' favor. And no worries, Samsung isn't ditching the rotating bezel. It's back, a fan-favorite feature that many will appreciate. That said, pairing the bezel with the new squircle frame does look a bit odd in the images. Another new visual cue is the third crown-style button on the side. It's not like Apple's crown but could offer a more tactile way to navigate the interface. There are now 3 buttons on the right and a large speaker grille on the left, again, echoing the Watch Ultra's layout. Now, on to specs. The eBay listing confirms the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic will pack 64 GB internal storage, double that of the Galaxy Watch 7 and Ultra. That's great news for users who store music or install apps directly on their watch. Internally, the watch will likely keep the Exynos W1000 chipset, used in the last model. Performance gains may be minor, but a slightly bigger battery could support features from the new One UI Watch 8, built on Wear OS 6. Health tracking will remain a strong focus. Expect familiar features: heart rate monitor, ECG, SpO2 sensor, skin temperature tracking, and more. Display-wise, it's a 1.5-inch Super AMOLED screen with always-on display support and sapphire crystal protection. Other specs include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, dual-band GPS, NFC, and 10W wireless charging. One small but important change: the prototype doesn't appear to use standard strap connectors. That could prevent compatibility with older Galaxy Watch bands or third-party straps, potentially disappointing longtime users. So, what's the big picture? Samsung appears to be building a cohesive visual identity across its wearables, much like Apple's rectangle watch or Google's pebble-shaped Pixel watch. The squircle design adds that unique Samsung touch. But while some may appreciate the evolution, others might miss the classic round shape. It's a change that may split opinion, balancing modern aesthetics with functional gains like more screen real estate and possible comfort enhancements. With the next Galaxy Unpacked likely just weeks away, we won't have to wait long for the full reveal. Samsung is expected to showcase not just 2 next-gen smartwatches, but also 2 new foldable smartphones. Love it or hate it, this leak has given us a substantial first look at what Samsung's been working on. And if the final release resembles this prototype, expect plenty of buzz. What's your take on the squircle design? Are you a fan? Or do you prefer the classic circular build? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more updates on the Galaxy Watch 8, Samsung's upcoming foldables, and all the latest in tech. Thanks for watching.